Welcome back, guys. So I'm starting off with my hair. Happy belated Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there, by the way. Yeah, I'm just applying my wig here from RPGhair.com, and this is the LFW32P wig from RPGhair. This is the Pre-Plucked 360 frontal wig, deep wave Indian Remy hair, and it's 24 inches long. This specific length that I'm rocking is 24 inches long, and RPGhair still has Mother's Day sale going on up until the 15th of this month, so go ahead, make use of that. Be sure to do that. So I'm gonna jump into the little chit chat right now. As you can see, I already started off the video, so now I'm just going to, do the usual of concealing the edges. So I'm just gonna pull back the edges a bit. And since I'm going to the beach today, oh, I did not tell you. So yeah, today is Mother's Day, and no, we're not. Well, yeah, we're going to the beach, but we're actually going on this yacht ride. It's usually very fun. It's very nice, chill Sunday vibes. That's what today is gonna be like. Of course, I'll be vlogging it. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my vlog channel, what are you doing? Oh yeah, and my mother, she loves the vibes. Like, she is not like boring and like, oh no, I don't want to do this or I don't want to do that, She loves a good vibe. Felt like this would have been a nice little treat. Plus, I gave her her present this morning. I want to kind of do makeup under 15 minutes. I'm not gonna even say 10, and it's gonna take a little extra time for my brows. I'm kind of speeding through because I do not have much time on my hands at all. Being out in the sun all day, it's kind of like you don't want a lot of product on your face. So I'm doing this makeup, beach appropriate, just a natural, simple makeup look that can be done under 15 minutes. So I'm gonna speed through this portion.
She give me for me thing so whine it for me, girl say she whine it for me thing so move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so come to sing so whine it for me thing so I not bad man and they want to say I she not bad man they want to fail. Don't do that, or you can't call me a bonfire, better than you me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman. Standard.
I go into priming because on a hot day like this, well, the sun isn't looking too hot right now, but I mean, you need to ensure that you prime really well. At least for me, I try, because as I've explained to you guys in the past, if I don't prime like my smile lines, the creasing will just be like annoying. My regular makeup routine works so well for me when you're rushing and when you don't want to feel like you're wearing too much, as you guys know. So I'm just kind of, really speeding through everything.
Original Batman.
It's V-Kills.
She give me for me heart, say she give me for me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce on the thing so whine it for me thing so.
So I use a bit of a darker concealer for my forehead, cupid's bow and chin area, and not too much because I just want less product.
You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Alright, me and I go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so.
Just setting everything as usual. Hopefully I'll be able to get a shot of my outfit today for this get ready with me.
Understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man they want to say. I mean
So I feel like when you're going out, like on a day that's gonna be very sunny, I feel like powders are your best friend, but try not to look ashy or like powdery, because powders is what will help to keep the oil down and not make everything look like, you know, super dry. Yeah, you don't want that. Oh my gosh guys, I love this wig so much. Had to put it back on, and I see that you guys been loving it too. Like, this is the LF32P wig. I'll put the specific link and name again down below in my description box. I'm gonna be using Lash Glam lashes from Annabeliza, from shop Annabeliza. These are pretty simple, but you know, that's how I feel today. Of course, if I had on fusion lashes, this whole section, I could just keep the whole lash section. I'm just gonna move on to spraying my face. Guys, this is so simple. It's the simplest makeup routine ever. The simplest, trust me. So this is perfect for work, if you're going to school as in like if you go to college. I'm just going to glow up if I can find it. Oh my god, it will be the times that when you're trying to move fast, when you cannot find stuff, like, why, you know, you have to have that nice sun-kissed looking skin. So guys, at this point I'm basically just going to move on to adding gloss. I'll go in with a tad of mascara. Where's my mascara? Oh my gosh, you see what I mean? The times, and sometimes because it's just your mind, you know, because you're rushing, things are right in front of you. It will be really hard to have on the dramatic lashes because those would be blowing in your eyes. Absolutely no color, not today. All right, so now I'm just going to proceed to wetting my hair. And as I said, this hair is just so convenient, especially if you're rushing. So I'm just gonna wet it. You could definitely rock it like this too, but I'm going to wet it and come back because that's how I love seeing my hair. So I'll be back. Oh, I'm just going to put some of my conditioner water on it. So I'm all out, so I'm just gonna rub this on it. I appreciate the support, the continued support so much. It really means a lot. All the specification on this gorgeous wig will be in the description box. As I say, it's coming up to summertime, and I feel like this is the wig for summer. If you're into curly / wavy textures, this is it. So yeah, don't forget to use my discount codes as well, SUE15 and PETITE-10 to get $10 off. Go ahead, check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.